Hello everyone, welcome to my video about the main causes of World War One. My name is Juan Pablo, I'm 16 years old and I'm from the Prepatec Eugenio Gardas de la Güera from 4th semester. Well, when I try to learn something, I hate a lot to just trying to memorize it because it doesn't work. You will forget it in the next 3 days. So never try memorizing something for an exam or something like that. Just try to understand it more deeply for then memorizing better the concept, and not just memorizing it, for also understanding and can be able to explain it to others. Yeah. So in this case, as I said, we're going to talk about the main causes of World War One, and we're going to, for explain this topic and be easier to understand, we're going to use our critical thinking. We're going to use the acronym MAIN that I saw in the source of History Hit by the author Alex Brown. The sources will be in the description of our video, so anything you have questions or anything like that, comments, we'll be answering the comments. So, what does it mean, MAIN? MAIN means militarism, alliances, nationalism, imperialism, and assassination. Well, yeah, assassination. Sorry, it was nationalist, actually. So, well, first I'm going to explain militarism. At the end of the 9th century, it was a kind of military competition. Because of that, many countries start getting a culture of paranoia that made them start searching for moral alliances. So basically they get scared, so they started trying to look others for get more power. So increasing their naval capabilities, especially Germany in the World War One. A simple naivety in the potential scale and bloodshed of European war prevents several governments from checking their aggression. And then it is alliances. A group of alliances were developed in Europe between 1870 and 1940 in order to maintain the sovereignty or get a participation of the military navy. These alliances were called the Triple Ent and the Triple Alliance. So yeah, there have always been two teams in World War One and World War Two that has been the Triple Entente and the Triple Alliance. A history point of conflict between Austria-Hungary and Russia was over their incompatible Balkan interests, and France had a deep suspicion of Germany rooted in their defeat in the 1870 war. They had another war before, but it doesn't was like a world war. It was involving less countries. Yeah. And imperialism. In a certain way, the expansion of the British and French imperial power, as I said, is that that made Germany get scared about that. So it meant some resentment in Germany and the search for a short, aborted imperial policy in the late 19th century. And nationalism, that I think that this is the main cause of the World War One, the more important thing. Nationalism was a reason for tension in Europe. Why is that? It's because it was related with militarism and associated with the interest of the imperial powers in Europe. Nationalism created new areas of interest which nations can fight for. Besides, the Serbian nationalists create the chaos that provoked the murder of the heir to the Austro-Hungarian throne, Archduke Franz Ferdinand. So yeah, basically nationalism triggered the murder of Archduke Franz Ferdinand. And that well, that start the World War One. In conclusion, the principal reason of the start of the World War One is the murder of the heir to the Austro-Hungarian throne, Archduke Franz Ferdinand, as we said. Moreover, his murder is related with the other four causes of World War One: main militarism, alliance, imperialism, and nationalism. So if you can have exam, I will recommend you to memorizing this. Well, I said that I don't like to memorize things, but this actually will be helpful for you. Memorize this and understand it. Yeah, you don't just memorize it. You need to understand the concepts. The four main causes of World War One. That was all the content. Thank you for all your attention. If you have any questions about the topic, I will be answering them in the comment section. Don't get attacked by a bear. It's nighttime.